Alright. So a 2-bit comparator is also used to compare two binary numbers, each of it having a 2 bits. So this diagram is the block diagram of 2-bit magnitude comparator. Alright, which has a 4 input and a 3 output. A0, A1, B0, B are the inputs. Okay. A0 and A1 is the bits of A and B0 B1 are the bits of B. Now, for which condition we are getting the output y is equal to B? A is equals to B, A greater than B and A less than B. Alright. If you are going to make first truth table for A greater than B, then A1 is the most significant bit, A0 is the least significant bit. Likewise for B1 and the B0. Right? See. First, the A1 is going to be compared with the B1. Over here, A1 is equals to 1, B1 is equals to 0. Alright? So, A1 is bigger than B1. So, we are not going to again check that whether A0 is less than B0, equal to B0 or greater than B0. If the A1 is greater than B1, then this output A greater than B greater than B2 becomes 1. Alright? Second, if A1 is equals to B1, then only we need to check whether A0 is greater than B0 or not. Okay. Consider the case 2. A1 is equals to B1. So we are going to compare A0 with the B0. Right? And A0 is more than B0. That's why the output A is greater than B. And the last one, A1 is 0, A0 is 1, B1 is 0, B0 is 0. Okay? The same condition will be applied for this. So this is the combination for which A greater than B would be output is equals to 1. Now for condition A less than B. Conditions are like if A1 is equals to B1 and if A0 is equals to 0 and B0 is equals to 1, that means A0 is less than B0 and A less than B will become 1. If A1 is equals to B1 is equals to 0 and if the A0 is equals to 0 and B0 is equals to 1, then also A less than B. Alright? So this is the truth table for which A less than B is equals to 1, A equals to B and A less than B. Right? So over here we can say that total 4 inputs, having 2 inputs, each of having the 2 bits. Total 4 bits are there. The combinations are like 2 raised to 4. It is 16, right? So starting from 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, up to 1, 1, 1. So we are going to compare first A1 with the B1. If both are equal, then we are going to compare with A0 with the B0. And if these both are equal to, then this y2 becomes 1. Now, if A1 is equals to B1, but if A0 is less than B0, then this output y1 becomes 1. And for A1 is equals to B1 and A0 is greater than B0, then the y3 becomes 1. And directly, if my A1 is greater than B1, then this output A greater than B directly becomes 1. Alright, this so for that time we don't need to check whether my A0 is less than B0, equal to B0 or greater than B0. This is the way to write the output in this truth table. Okay, now we are going to realize the K map. And from the K map, we are able to derive its Boolean function. And from the Boolean function, we are able to design its logical circuit. Right? Now, for y1, y2, and for the y3, we are going to make the individual K map. Okay? Now, consider for the first A less than B. So at which position we are getting the output is equals to 1? The combinations are 1, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up to 16, okay, in the decimal. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 0 and 11. So place in this boxes, rectangular boxes inside the K map 1, 1, 1, 1. And now make the group. The group will be formed like this 4 ones, then 2 ones, and the single one remains left. So this one is going to be grouped with the another one, which is upside, by folding the K map vertically. Right? Now we are going to write the mean terms for A less than B. It is like first for the green circle A1 dash, A0 dash, row wise, and for the column wise B0. First meter plus the red one, group of these 4. What is common row wise? In the row wise A1 bar is common. What is common in the column wise? B1 is common. Okay, so A1 bar B1 plus this is the gray one by folding K map vertically. This one and this one. First to see row wise. What is common? Common is A0 bar, then B1, B0. Okay, so A0 bar, B1 and B0. The bar has been dragged. Okay, you need to consider A0 bar, B1 and B0. And for A is equals to B, at which position that we are using the one? There are only the 4 positions: 0, 5, 10 and the 15. So 0, 5, 10 and the 15. We can't make group of this all ones in diagonal. Alright. So the making of this group will not satisfy the rules for the K-map. That's why this all ones are remain left as it is. It can't be grouped with any one of this one. Okay. The equation would be like, we can directly write it like for 0, A1 bar, A0 bar, B1 bar, B0 bar. For 5, A1 bar, A0, B1 bar, B0. For this 15, A1, A0, B1, B0. The last combination, this one, A1, A0, A1, A0 bar and B1, B0 bar. Okay, this is for A equals to B. Now for A greater than B, what will be the output? For A greater than B, it is like